Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nettoyeur de Piscine that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mr. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This budget-friendly option delivers a surprising amount of cleaning power for its price. With a 15 kPa suction force, dual motors, and a cleaning speed of 52 feet per minute, it efficiently tackles debris like leaves, sand, and silt. Its 250 micrometer filtration system ensures crystal clear water, while the self-parking feature adds convenience by docking itself when the battery runs low. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just over 7 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and clean after each use. Its teal color adds a touch of style, while the durable hard plastic build ensures longevity. Battery life is solid, offering 75 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for small to medium-sized pools up to 860 square feet. However, larger pools might require 2 cleaning cycles. Pool Mister is perfect for homeowners with flat above-ground pools who want an affordable, no-fuss cleaner. While it doesn't offer advanced features like wall climbing or app control, it gets the job done efficiently for its price. On the downside, regular cleaning of the filter is necessary to maintain peak performance. Overall, it's a great entry-level robotic pool cleaner for those on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Pleco S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner by Telaspo. Designed for small above-ground pools, this lightweight robot offers strong suction powered by 2 high-performance motors. It captures debris, dirt, and leaves with ease, helping you maintain crystal clear water. With a runtime of 75 to 80 minutes, it's perfect for pools up to 645 square feet. Its black design is sleek and modern, and at just 6.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to lift out of the water. A spacious 2.5-liter filter basket reduces emptying frequency, adding convenience to your pool cleaning routine. The auto parking feature ensures the device docks near the pool edge when the battery is low, making retrieval hassle-free. This cleaner is ideal for busy families looking for a simple solution to pool maintenance. While it lacks advanced features like wall climbing or waterline cleaning, it excels at basic floor cleaning. One drawback is its limited compatibility with larger pools, but for small and flat pools, it's a reliable and affordable option. If you're looking for a lightweight and efficient cleaner, the Pleco S1 is a solid choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the Dino Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, a high-performance option for both in-ground and above-ground pools. With an impressive runtime of 200 minutes, thanks to its 11,000 milliamp-hour battery, this cleaner can handle large pools in a single cycle. Its advanced waterline navigation system ensures precise cleaning of areas where debris often accumulates, offering comprehensive coverage for floors, walls, and waterlines. Built with twin-turbo brushless motors, the Dino delivers powerful suction at 5,070 gallons per hour, capturing leaves, sediment, and even stubborn debris with ease. The extra-large 4.1-liter filter basket minimizes maintenance, while the dual inlet design optimizes water flow to maintain efficient cleaning performance. Its orange design is bold and functional, with a weight of 26.1 pounds, making it robust but slightly heavy compared to other options. While it's on the pricier side, the Dino is perfect for pool owners who demand thorough cleaning and extended runtime. Its sophisticated algorithms ensure optimized cleaning paths, but one downside is its slightly bulky build, which might be challenging to lift for some users. Overall, the Dino is a premium choice for large pools requiring deep cleaning. At number 2, we have the Winnie Pool Cleaner Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This budget-friendly device packs a punch with its advanced dual-stage filtration system, which increases filtration efficiency by 50% compared to standard robots. It effortlessly traps fine silt, leaves, and sand, ensuring crystal clear water. With a runtime of 75 minutes, it's ideal for above-ground pools up to 645 square feet. Its transparent blue design is both stylish and practical, allowing you to see the inner workings of the device. Weighing only 7.26 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to lift out of the water. The self-parking feature ensures convenient battery management, docking itself when power runs low. This cleaner is compatible with various pool surfaces, including vinyl, tile, and gunite, offering versatility for different pool types. While it doesn't offer wall climbing or app control, the Winnie Pool Cleaner excels at floor cleaning for small to medium-sized pools. Its compact size and strong cleaning power make it a great choice for homeowners seeking affordability and efficiency. The only downside is its relatively short runtime for larger pools. But for its price, it's an excellent value. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Wybot C1 Pool Robot Vacuum, a powerhouse cleaner designed for in-ground pools. This 4-in-1 robotic cleaner tackles floors, walls, stairs, and water lines effortlessly, making it the most versatile option on our list. With triple motors and enhanced obstacle avoidance, it handles slopes up to 45 degrees and navigates drains seamlessly. The Wybot C1 features powerful suction and dual PVC brushes that grip surfaces tightly, delivering deep cleaning for tile, mosaic, or even glass pools. Its Smart Navigation 3.0 technology allows app control for customized cleaning routes, or you can activate Auto Smart Mode for hassle-free operation. The large filter basket with 180 micrometers mesh traps fine debris, while the top-load design makes maintenance a breeze. With a runtime of 150 minutes, it's perfect for pools up to 1,614 square feet. While it's the priciest option on our list, the Wybot C1 is ideal for pool owners who want premium features and performance. Its robust build and intelligent navigation make it a leader in the pool cleaning market. The only downside is its higher price point, but for those who want the best, the Wybot C1 is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.